mga parasitic preventives na kailangan natin para sa alaga natin. Yung garapata, pulgas, kay mga ear mites, heartworm, basta worms, lahat ng yon. What up, Betches? It's your girl Ara back again with another video. And hi, hello! If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Ara and I create pet tips, veterinary medical related videos, and also lifestyle. Ibang fur parents, nandito sila sa mga preventives or yung mga parasitic preventives na kailangan natin para sa alaga natin. Ang gusto nating iwasan dyan ay yung mga parasites na common na narinig mo. Yung garapata, pulgas, kay mga ear mites, heartworm, basta worms, lahat ng yon. So, I'm going to break it down for you. So, without further ado, if you want to learn more about parasitic preventives, then just keep on watching. First and foremost, bakit ko kailangan ng mga preventives na to? Ang dami naman, bakit ganon? Ganito kasi yan, guys. Mga diseases na nakukuha ng mga alaga natin ay madalas ay from ticks, fleas. Sila kasi ay madalas yung carrier ng mga yan. Lalo na yung mga blood parasites, very deadly once na makuha ng mga alaga natin. So, you want to prevent your pets to have that. And also, yung mga worms like heartworm, wherein nakukuha siya sa mosquito, and it's very common here in the Philippines dahil tropical country tayo. Yung mga mosquito na yan, nagdadala ng heartworm sa mga alaga natin. So, need to have preventives for that kasi mas mahal ang magagastos nyong medication or treatment pag once na may heartworm or confirmed na may heartworm alaga nyo. Another thing, bakit ba very prone sa intestinal worms ang mga alaga natin? Mahilig silang kumain kung saan-saan, dumila kung saan-saan. They usually eat grass, soil, or even lick poop ng ibang alaga natin. Hindi natin maiwasan yon. So, we need to give them those para maiwasan naman natin ang mga intestinal parasites. And another thing, guys, lalo na sa mga intestinal parasites, some parasites, yung mga parasites sa mga alaga natin, are zoonotic, meaning it can transfer to us. Ano nga ba itong mga parasite preventives ito? These are actually products that kill parasites that live on inside and outside of the body ng ating companion animal. Tapos, meron sila mga certain compounds that work against parasites, specifically making it safe for your pet. Tapos, may different kinds of forms itong mga parasitic preventives natin. Tatlong forms siya. Number one is yung chewable. Ay, nakikita nyo yung parang mukhang cube. Pangalawa, topical liquids or yung mga nilalagay sa likod o sa batok ng mga alaga nyo. And another thing is injectable. By the name itself, tinuturok. And usually, itong tinuturok na to is given by vets. Bakit nga ba kailangan i-consider ng pet owners to buy these products for their pets? Number one, parasites are carriers of fatal diseases. Yung mga blood parasites, ehrlichiosis, babesiosis. Very common actually here in the Philippines, lalo na ang dami kasi may aso dito, and then yung iba hindi napapansin, ang dami na palang ticks, nagkakahawaan sa isang barangay. So, the cost of treatment ay mas malaki more than sa prevention na merong alaga. Meron ako narinig na parang etong gantong natural or organic powder or damo, kaya yung Yakult. Again, number one, wala pong scientific studies that can prove or confirming yung efficacy ng mga natural preventives ng mga to. Dahil binibigyan rin ng ganito, wala siyang scientific studies or proof yung efficacy niya, mas malaki pa rin yung risk na magkakaroon ng parasites yung mga alaga nyo. If you have more questions about preventives, lalo na sa mga pets na may other underlying diseases, consult your vet pa rin kasi baka kasi may mga gamot na may contraindication or magkaroon ng side effects sa alaga nyo or may specific or special need ang alaga nyo na. Now guys, let's start. Now guys, simulan natin pag-usapan yung mga common preventives. Ito na hinihintay nyo. Unahin na muna natin yung mga skin applications. So number one is Revolution. It's actually effective against fleas, mites. Pwede yung ibigay sa pusa at pwede rin sa aso. And it is given monthly. Next naman is Revolution Plus. It's effective against fleas, ticks, mites, heartworm, and intestinal worms. Product na to ay pwede sa aso at pusa and it's given monthly. Again guys, pagka meron tayong heartworm sa mga preventives natin, mas maganda na tinetest muna yung mga alaga whether they are negative sa heartworm kasi mahirap na kapag binigyan mo pa ng ganito, positive sa heartworm, it can be fatal to them. Next naman, Frontline. Effective against mga fleas, ticks, and lice. kuto, pulgas, garapata. It can be given to your dogs and cats and given to monthly. Frontline Plus, meron siya for dogs, meron siya for cats, and this one is actually effective for fleas, yung mga flea eggs and larvae, ticks, and also yung mga lice. Next naman guys, injectable. Ang common preventive na injectable is for heartworm, which is what you call ProHeart. Ito guys, again, need muna ipatest yung alaga mo whether they are negative or positive for heartworm. Pag positive, hindi po pwede ito ibigay. Pag negative, yes, pwede na po ibigay itong injectable na to. And this one is actually given to your dogs. And ang maganda dito, annually siya or for 1 whole year siya. However, medyo pricey nga lang. Or maganda to ibigay sa mga aso natin. Yung nilalagay sa labas ng bahay kasi mas exposed sila sa mga lamok sa labas ng bahay natin. Hindi ko rin sinasabi na porke nasa loob ng bahay, safe na sila sa lamok. No. Sinasabi ko lang is mas prone yung mga aso sa labas. And if you could actually give this also to your indoor dogs, please do so. Mas maganda siya kasi 1 year na agad. Safe na siya from heartworm. Next guys, ay yung common and yung madalas natin nakikita na parang mga cube-cube. Ito yung mga chewables or mga pill forms na preventives na mga alaga natin. Ito, actually very sikat to. This one is yung NexGard. Good for external parasites, yung mga fleas and ticks. However, this is only given to your dogs. And it is good for only 1 month. Binibigay siya monthly. Next naman is yung Simparica. Pill form siya. Effective against fleas and ticks. And also given to your dog lang. Tapos dosage niya is monthly ulit. Next naman, ito yung Lumevelap na type of NexGard and Simparica. NexGard Spectra. Actually, very famous product to among fur parents. This one is effective against fleas, ticks, mites, heartworm, and intestinal worms. O diba? External parasite and internal parasites na to-target niya. This one is only given to your dogs and monthly rin siya. Tapos Simparica Trio naman, this one is effective against fleas, ticks, heartworm, mites, and intestinal worms. For dogs lang ulit siya and given month. However, itong mga ganito guys, mas mahal to for sure compared sa NexGard, na simple NexGard lang na for external parasites. Kasi mas maraming na-target na mga parasites itong mga to. Bravecto. It's effective against fleas and ticks lamang. Pwede siya ibigay sa dogs and pwede rin sa cat. Pero itong Bravecto na to, every 3 months yung dosage nito. Technically, for 1 year, 4 times mo lang siya bibigyan ng preventive na to. And then next guys, meron tayong tinatawag na HeartGard Plus. This one is effective against heartworm and intestinal parasites. Binibigay siya sa aso and monthly na preventive siya. Yung Drontal or Prasivet, this one is good for intestinal worms. More on internal parasites yung tinatarget nito. Meron siya for cats, meron siya for dogs. Pwede itong ibigay at least annually. Pero depende pa rin guys sa lifestyle, and also mas maganda i-consult yung vet nyo for this. Before giving this or giving this preventives, importante na alamin yung weight ng alaga nyo. Kasi varies per weight kung ano man bibigay yung pill. So kailangan, lalo na pag large breeds, small breeds, iba-iba po yan. So, ayun lamang guys. You as a fur parent, ano ba yung madalas mong binibigay na preventives sa alaga nyo? Comment it down below. Yun lamang guys. I hope you like this video. Do give this video a thumbs up, and I hope na may natutunan kayo. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. It's at Ara Verducio sa TikTok, sa Instagram, sa Twitter. I upload content like this everywhere, anywhere. Yeah. Also, yung FB page ko, if you want to, go check it out. Disclaimer guys, you still need to consult your vet for your preventives ha. So yun lamang, Ara,